Hey everybody. Uh Here I am. I am shocking myself, trying to stay pretty consistent in doing these video blogs. I am, of course, a couple weeks late, but catching up eventually. This is actually a video blog from June 29th, pretty much the last weekend of June into the weekend of July 6th, where I was mostly starting at a Society for Creative Anachronisms event that I went to. I helped run the Arts and Sciences pavilion for them, and also had my booth right next to it, so, trying to sell some of my pots. And next day, I worked a little bit on the house, some planting, and I just tore apart my inventory boxes just to catch up, because that is pretty big assignment there that I was working on. And I actually found a pot from a couple years ago that thought was lost. So I thought maybe my inventory system wasn't all that great, but found it, and that all worked out. So anyway, lots of work. Took me about 8 hours in the air conditioned comfort, somewhat air conditioned comfort of my studio. I'm actually hoping to upgrade my window AC unit to something a little bit more robust in the next couple of weeks, possibly. Um, but yeah, I was sitting. When I do inventory, I take everything out, all my boxes, unwrap all of the boxes and all the items, and I organized it, and then I ended up culling, throwing out a lot of things from mm, maybe 2 years ago, 3 years ago. I don't have the inventory area. Can't keep everything, and some of my stuff was experiments, so off they went to make more room for another time. So that's all part of being a potter, I guess. And and then working on my inventory, just finishing off glazing. It was a lot of glazing. I did some underglaze inlay, which is basically mishma, as well as just regular brush on glazing. That's all mid fire, which is still time consuming. Um, but yeah, I think I spent quite a long time um, just glazing. It's not my favorite, but I'm a lot better at doing it, and I'm enjoying it a lot more of over time of just trying to make the surface more interesting. That has been my goal for the past few years, is just changing things up, trying newer techniques, and just trying to have more fun with my pots. So hopefully it all works out. So without further ado, I will get to the videos, to everything I already previously recorded, and come back in a bit. Well, this is fun. You got to see all of my long projects. So, or, like generally speaking, how I glaze things and how long it takes. In the past, I've totally hated doing decoration. I used to just throw one glaze on there and one and done. But the last few years, I've been focusing more on surface decoration and layering and trying to get a lot more of those um, interesting surfaces. Trying to, as I try to find my voice, really. So it's been quite the experience of doing that, as well as just making these documenting everything and just trying to build up my skill set as far as social media marketing and all that. So, but anyway, I did figure out how to bring in music. I use Video Shop, which probably is a terrible app. If anybody out there has better suggestions on video editing tools, I'd love to hear them. I don't know what other YouTubers use. It seems like people use a lot of the same um, programs, but I'm not 100% sure. So it's all been a learning curve, learning challenge, and I'm actually pretty good at figuring out software packages without any documentation. Sometimes I'll Google how to do things, but yeah, it's been quite challenging figuring the editing up so that something that is compatible with YouTube, that is also compatible with Instagram and TikTok. If you have any suggestions on tools for that, that'd be great. I would love that. So anyhow, I'm going to finish here before I go. If you like what you're seeing, want to get to know me, I'd love to actually get to know you all better. One of the reasons why I started this channel or started posting mostly to the channel is to meet other artists and other people that are interested in pottery and chat. So anyway, if you're interested in following my progress, please hit the like and subscribe button. And if not, you can always pop in, pop out, just whatever you'd like to do. And I'm going to leave it here and then work on the next few weeks, trying to upload and edit and do a massive catch up, hopefully, maybe, possibly. We'll see. Anyhow, take it easy. See you soon, hopefully. Take it easy. Bye.